The following video is a TRAK TRL 1630 RX. It has the touchscreen RLX CNC controller. This unit is new 2021. Blair is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
We're just going to start out by showing the rapid axes. X. To Z. And of course you have your fine controls, your Z, X. This has the touch screen. Spindle into a with 980. As you can see, you can adjust this. You're at 100% right there. If you want to change the speed, very simple process. We'll go to 1500. There's your 1500. Adjust your speed. That was 22. Didn't want to let it up or not. So it's very simple to adjust your speed. No more punching all the numbers.
Show the rapids one more time and the joystick.
Absolutely. Rapid Z. And your X. Anything else?
Again, the preceding video was a TRAK TRL 1630 RX CNC lathe.